Hi, my name is Margit. I'm part of the R&D team at DyeMansion. Today I'm at our booth at Formnext and I'm right in front of our color wall presenting our new X Automotive colors. Together with Renault, we have worked on a project to develop customized colors with increased light and heat resistance to meet the highest quality standards of the automotive industry. These colors are perfect for the dyeing of interior parts of the new Renault 5. Looking at the Renault 5, you can find 3D printed parts such as this central organizer box for the middle console. Starting from there, we have developed 4 new X Automotive colors to showcase the performance with our dyeing solution. Even though these colors were originally developed for the automotive industry, they are a perfect solution for any other application that is exposed to sunlight and requires increased light and heat resistance. In addition to our standard X Automotive colors, we can develop any color of choice together with you to find the best solution for your specific application. Please contact us to get more information and we are happy to help.